Hey everyone, welcome back. GEEK here. So if you have recently bought a new machine or recently upgraded to Windows 11, then you must use this free tool to boost your Windows 11 and get the maximum performance. Even this utility that I will be sharing in this video will give you many other options to manage your Windows 11 settings. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Alright, so I will be leaving the link in the description. You can copy the link, paste into your browser, and you will be coming to this website, Windows 11 debloater tool. Now, if you want to have a preview here, then you can have a preview that how exactly it look like. And if you scroll down, you can find all the detailed information that how exactly this utility will be helping you. Now, in order to download it, you will have to scroll down and you will find link to download. And it will be showing you all the available versions. So you will have to go with the latest one that is on the very top. So click on it and the file will be quickly downloaded in a zip file. So kindly wait. Once downloaded, open the downloaded folder. Right click on this zip file that you have downloaded. Then click on extract all. Click on extract. The extracted folder will be up. Again, make a double click on it. And here you will find Windows 11 debloater.exe and it's an application file. So what you can do, you can make a right click on it, click run as admin. Windows protected your PC, so you will have to click on more info and click on run anyway. Click on yes. Alright, so bingo, now you will be getting this kind of dashboard of Windows 11 debloater. So here on the dashboard, you will find three different categories: easy debloater, advanced debloater, and fine tuning debloater. So let me go through them one by one. So I will start with the easy debloater. And once you click here, it gives you an option of essential tweak. And once you click on it, on the right hand side, you can see that what exactly it's going to do. Like it will be creating a restore point so that anything goes wrong, then you can easily revert the action. It will be disabling the telemetry, Wi-Fi sense, activity history, location tracking, storage sense, hibernation, game DVR so that you can get the best performance. So after reading it, if you really want to apply it, then you just need to click here on the run script and all the changes will be applied. And so in future, if you change your mind and you want to undo the changes, you can click on undo essential tweak. Then you also have the option to disable the Cortana. You can uninstall the OneDrive. You can Windows Update Default. You can manage it. You can enable the location or you can enable the hibernation. You can disable the Action Center. You can disable the background application as well, because on Windows 11, you don't get that direct option to disable the background application. So these are the tweaks that you will be getting in the easy debloater. Now, if you come to the advanced debloater, here are some more options. Like you can disable the telemetry, Wi-Fi sense, storage sense, hibernation, game DVR. You can manage the settings services to manual. You can enable the power throttling or you can disable it. Setting BIOS time to UTC, adjusting the visual effect for performance so that you can disable the maximum unwanted animations. Even you can choose according to the category wise, like if you are using a desktop, then you can click on desktop and it will automatically select all the required tweaks applicable for the desktop. And so if you click on laptop, it will choose all the tweak that is required for the laptop. Then you have the fine tuning debloater. And here you can see that how many options you get for absolutely free. Like in the third-party application, you can install any kind of application by making a one click according to the category wise, like the document, games, Microsoft tool. Then you can come to the Windows app section. You can uninstall any kind of application here. And this is also a very useful feature because you would be able to uninstall the Microsoft Edge and many kind of other bloatware that you are not able to directly uninstall from Windows 11 settings. Then you have the privacy option. You can manage your privacy. You have the personalization option, OneDrive, system, start menu. Then you have Defender plus security. So if you want to disable or enable any kind of security, then you can also do that. Context menu. If you want to make any changes with the Windows 11 context menu, you have the entire option over here. Alright, so an amazing tool guys, and how exactly this will be helping you. What I would recommend you that before applying the tweak here, right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, go to the performance. Now here you will find the utilization, the process count, the thread count and the handle count. Notice it before applying the changes, then apply the changes, come back to the task manager and you will find a great difference here as the process, thread and the handle count will be reduced, and so you will be getting the maximum performance without any kind of lagging and stuttering problem. Now this I highly recommend to all the people who have recently upgraded to Windows 11 or bought a new Windows 11 machine, or so far if you have not done any kind of optimization on your Windows 11, then you must use this free tool in order to boost the Windows 11 performance. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you found this free tool very useful. And if yes, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.